Pranking telemarketers who call about your non-existent car warranty during dinner hour is not a hobby for the lighthearted. But Lisa David Olson nearly elevates it to a spectator sport. Whether it's on her podcast, helping businesses with their creative culture, or performing from the stage, Lisa has made it her mission to make sure there are more smiles when she leaves a room than when she arrived.
But I would never, ever keep that cycle going for my boys, who are now 22 and 24 and about 6'6" and 6'3". Those big people came out of me. I just want you to... They didn't come out that size, no. They'd be like, Mommy, look at the dinosaur. Like, holy cow, he talks.
Interactive humor and storytelling are at the heart of Lisa's unique message of how humor saved her life, and how humor provides common ground for seeding new relationships, breaking through past conflicts, and creating previously unsung possibilities. An engaging and entertaining personality with a poignant and clever delivery, Lisa knocks down creative barriers and scatters smiles in her wake.